clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Hair by clipper. Like expected. Salon esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo Hair by clippers mwebale nnyo mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza Hey, Tusima, 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 Tusima. Gracias. Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho. Hair by clippers, te quiero mucho.
Hola bise bulungi, onyilila bulungi, fanana bulungi. Hola bise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold na yonyumide gwe no kamala. Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queen. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa bisidi crochet master, bali professional movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. Body neat like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga mutini. Body neat like expected, so good and elegant woman.
The minister's village alongside Jambo Goroni.
The minister's village
alongside Jambo Goroni.
Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Bakabi. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Bakabi.
By clippers. Hair by clippers. By clippers. Hair by clippers.
Mubyembi abalala bakopa, we set the trend abalala bayiha. Oh na 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 na. Tuli bakugu mubyembi abalala bakopa, we set the trend abalala bayiha. Oh na na. Tumanyi beauty, twakuguka mu beauty. Gwe, tumanyi beauty, tumanyi beauty. Gwe, hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Bakabi. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Bakabi.
By clippers. Hair by clippers. By clippers. Hair by clippers.
Hair by Clippers Salon, located in Ntinda Ministers Village alongside Chambogo Road. Hair by Clippers, neat like expected. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know what they did, but you look so beautiful. Mubitabe byange wasomye otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect, looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, oli malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli chiso eyo jovude.